Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Adelina Nasution. I'm studying in Muhammadiyah University of South Tapanuli in Physics Education. Here I will present our journal entitled Development of a Physics Learning Module based on Multimedia Autoplay in Class 10 SMA N2 Padang Sidimpuan. As for a background of the problem, is 1. Learning is still limited to abstract explanation of concept through lecture and illustration, through picture, and using the previous equipment that is available. 2. Student learning results are still less optimal. 3. Learning media that is less creative and innovative. And 4. Learning modules that are less interesting and interactive. And what are the solutions? Teachers should select and use learning module which affect student desire to learn, student success, one of which is the use of interesting and interactive learning modules that can be open. Next, autoplay multimedia based on module. Following are the opinions of experts regarding the meaning of module. A module is a form of a teaching material that is packaged completely and systematically containing a set of planned learning experience designed to help students master a specific learning objective. Daryanto, 2013. And 2. The electronic module or e-module is a form of independent learning media which is prepared in digital form, where this aims to be an effort to realize the learning competency that you want to achieve. Rahmi, 2018. And 3. Multimedia autoplay is multimedia software that integrates various types of media such as visual, music, and sound effect that are relevant to the presentation material and will attract the audience attention. Ainul Yakin, 2014. Next, multimedia autoplay based physics module. Multimedia autoplay based physics module is a module designed in an application that can be opened from student laptop or PCs anywhere and anytime. This autoplay module is a module that contains physics material, namely momentum and impulse, learning videos, and quiz tests with an attractive and interactive display. The autoplay module is a module that is easy to use because it's easy to install and can be run on any version of student laptop and PCs. Next, research methodology. The type of research in this research is 4D model. The research stage are definition stage or define, design stage or design, development stage or develop, and deployment stage or disseminate. For the data collection instrument, for define is interview sheet and physics exam result sheet. For valid, module validation sheet. For practical, teacher response questionnaire regarding the practical of module, and student response questionnaire regarding the practical of the module. And effective, this data is student knowledge assessment sheet, student learning result sheet for physics learning, and student response questionnaire of the effective of the module. And the next development result, 1. Definition. Interview result. Student lack of ability to understand physics, achieve and material taught by teacher. Module are less interesting and interactive. Percentage of report card grades for physics class 10 MIA 3 and 5 SMA Negeri 2 Padang Sidimpuan school year 2022 for 2020 year. The semester out KKM 75. The number of competent student is 51 or 77%, and number of incompetent student is 15 or 23%, and the number of student is 66. Next, development result 2. Result of the design stage. A. Module assessment design. This instrument contains a validation sheet, feasibility of the autoplay module based on material expert, media expert, and language expert, as well as student and teacher response regarding the autoplay module being development. And B. Preparation of module, autoplay module in the form of application and arrange systemically so as to help multimedia-based learning in the form of laptop or PCs. And next, development stage result. Stage the produce development product, final form of multimedia autoplay based basic module on momentum and impulse, material after going through revision based on expert or practitioner, and trial result. This material expert, this criteria amount, evaluation 37, average 3.7, and percentage 92.5%, and category very valid. And next validation is media expert validation result, namely this criteria amount, evaluation 32, average 3.5, and percentage 88.89%, and category valid. And language validation result, namely criteria amount, evaluation 37, average 3.7, and percentage 19.5%, and category very valid. And this early stage expert validation, this number 1 validator AG, field material expert, total score 37, average 3.7, percentage 92.57%, category very valid. Number 2 validator TH, field media expert, total score 35, average 3.5, percentage 88.89%, category valid. And number 3 validator NS, field linguist, total score 37 and average 3.7, percentage 92.5%, and category very valid. And overall average of total score is 36.3, average 3.63, and percentage 91.3%, and category very valid. And this media expert final stage validation after revision, this number 1 criteria amount, evaluation 34, and average 3.7, and percentage 94.44%, and category very valid. So the expert final validation result, number 1 validator AG, same, percentage 92.5%, category very valid. Number 2 validator TH, field media expert, total score 34, average 3.7, and percentage 94.44%, and category very valid. And validator NS, same, this percentage 92.5%, and category very valid. So overall average, this all validator, total score 36, average 3.7, and percentage 93.15, and category very valid. Next, the result of the autoplay module on momentum and impulse material. This number 1 module practically, and this result of teacher response questionnaire on module practically. This number 1 criteria amount, evaluation 37, average 3.7, percentage 92.5%, and category very practical. And next, result of student response questionnaire on module practical. The practically of the module is carried out after learning using the autoplay module, and the following result were obtained. This number 1, student score 91 to 100, the number of student 0, category very practical. Number 2, student score 81 to 19, the number of student is 8, category very practical. Number 3, student score 71 to 18, the numbers of student is 21, category practical. And number 4, student score 61 to 17, the number of student is 3, category practical. And total all overall average is 77.3 percentage, 77.3%, and category practical. Then the number of student is 33. Next, the effectiveness of module use. This student competency assessment result. And this meeting 1, number of value is 2,410. Competency value A, student competent is 27, and student non-competent is 6. This percentage competence is 81.8. And meeting 2, number of value is 2,1614. Competency value A, and student competent is 13, and student non-competent is 3. This percentage competence is 19.9%. Next, the result of student response questionnaire on module effectiveness. And same, the effectiveness of the module is carried out after learning using the autoplay module, and the following result were obtained. This number 1, student score 91 to 100, the number of student 1, category very effective. Number 2, student score rank value 81 to 19, the number of student is 18, category very effective. And number 3, rank 71 to 18, the number of student is 14, and category effective. That's all. Overall average is 81.4, and percentage 81.4%, and the number of student is 33, and category very effective. And C, student learning outcome assessment sheet for basic learning. This number 1 value 91 to 100, the number of student is 1. Number 2 value 81 to 19, the number of student is 9. Number 3, rank value 71 to 18, the number of student is 15. Number 3, value 61 to 17, the number of student is 5. And number 5, value rank 51 to 16, the number of student is 3. So all amount is 2,614, and average is 18, and percentage 18%. And this is a student learning outcomes diagram. Next, deployment. This is the last stage in research. After the module is declared fit for use, then the module is ready to be distributed in other class, manufacture, and consistent the final stage of this research. Conclusion and recommendation. This conclusion based on validation from material expert, media expert, and linguist. This one, material expert average 3.7 percentage, 92.15%, and category very valid. 2, media expert, this average 3.7 percentage, 94.4 84% and category very valid. And the last language average 3.7 percentage 92.15% and category very valid. And recommendation for research now is the development autoplay multimedia based module can be used in class 10 basic learning because it contains material in the 22 in the 2013 curriculum, namely. And B, the autoplay multimedia based module can help teachers convey momentum and impulse material. Autoplay multimedia based module can also improve student learning outcomes. And the last suggestion, one, it is recommended to teacher to develop this product in other material, even in other subjects too. It is expected that that the module can be used the learning physics and to make it easier for students to understand the material present by the teacher. 3. Future development needs to be carried out. 4. More educational videos need to be addition in further development. And the last, the need for additional diverse question and limitation in development. This module only contains momentum and impulse material and produced on a limited basis for the purpose of the final thesis project. And the last, that's my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.